AVPRO is proud to present this Gulfstream G550, serial number 5403. The G550 is an ultra-long-range business jet renowned for its design, comfort, technology, and speed, and has earned the prestigious Robert J. Collier Trophy for its outstanding achievements. Serial number 5403's interior, updated with new soft goods in 2025, accommodates 14 passengers in a forward crew rest aft galley layout. The forward cabin includes crew rest, lavatory, closet, and a 4-place club with fold-out tables. The mid-cabin features a 4-place divan opposite a 2-place club, and the aft cabin offers a 4-place conference group opposite a credenza, a fully equipped galley, passenger lavatory, and in-flight accessible baggage compartment. With exceptional U.S. ownership pedigree, this aircraft offers advanced connectivity with GoGo L5 AVANCE Wi-Fi, AirCell Access Iridium satellite phone, alongside an Airshow 4000, dual DVD players, a 24-inch forward cabin bulkhead monitor, and an aft cabin credenza monitor. Combining long-range capability, cutting-edge technology, and a refined, versatile cabin, the pinnacle of business aviation is the G550, serial number 5403, presented exclusively by AVPRO. AVPRO, celebrating over 30 years of excellence.